Today we are going to discuss about the autoclave. As you can see in this diagram, there is outer jacket which is made up of stainless steel, and inside this outer jacket there is perforated inner chamber, and in this perforated inner chamber we put our sample, and below the perforated chamber we took the water. When water will evaporate at high temperature, it will produce steam, and this is steam under high pressure, that is a autoclave, which is used for sterilization. We will discuss about it further. This is autoclave. So autoclave is used for sterilization. This is an sophisticated instrument that consists of different parts, as I told you before. So auto means self and claving means locking, so it is self locking instrument. You have to put sample inside it, and sample should be properly covered with brown paper or aluminium foil, and it with the help of tapes and rubber, and then load that sample into the autoclave. We are covering that sample so that when it will evaporate, then it will condense, also water droplets will collect inside, so that we are covering it with the paper or foil. Okay, so after loading the sample, close the autoclave properly so that steam could not go outside, and then steam under high pressure, autoclave could work and your sample could sterilize. Okay, so this is how the autoclave work. Autoclave comes in different volume. Here you can see the schematic diagram of autoclave. Jacket and culture medium is there. This is the inner chamber. This is how the steam is entering into this chamber, and this is how the steam under pressure and how the autoclave works. Okay, it consists of three phases: conditioning phase, exposure phase, exhaust phase. In conditioning phase, vacuum phase, we make the chamber air free because air inhibits the sterilization. In exposure phase, we allow it to sterilize. In exhaust phase, we depressurize it and allow it to cool. Okay, then here the working of the autoclave. Firstly, you will load the sample, vacuum phase, heating and pressurization, exposure, installation, depressurization, drying, cooling, unloading. Here is the principal parts and the precautions of autoclave, as you can clearly see. This is all about the autoclave, which is a sophisticated instrument which is used in labs. And it is very useful in medical, like in hospital, for the sterilization of different medical equipments, inoculation needles,